Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to build Smoothie Truck. So we're going to start. Here's our pile. So we're just going to do that outside. We got to we are going to go on this. This. Here's the instructions. We don't need that. Go to the dolly. Okay. So we got this with this, okay, and her hair. So we're going to build it. Well, let's start with this. This is the leg that has a skirt on it. Now we're going to have the t-shirt that has hands and the neck and the head. You see? Very nice. And put her hair there. She's a nice dolly now. Okay, so now we're going to do the big things. Here's the manual again. Go back. Okay, so we get the black part. Here's this black part, and get this pink part. There, and then next page we have to get this, and it has six buttons on it, 6 circles on it. Okay, and the next page. Okay, see this page? We need these. But first we need these black thingies. So we got this, and flip it and put them on. You see? This is how. And here, go in there. And we got this now. I don't even know it has wheels because I cannot take them off so hard. Okay, so here we have the wheels and this thingy. The wheels, they're okay. Roll right now, but I just need the other ones. Okay, here's the other one. We have this. Okay, roll, 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 roll. Okay, so we have this already. Okay, now we just need the blue part. Blue. Okay, so here's the blue part. And next page. Okay, so I need these two. Here and get this. I'm going to stop singing right now. Okay, so here we have it. Okay, so you have it already. And now I have to go for the next page. Okay, here it is. Okay. Have this already. Okay, where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? So here we have this, and now we're going to get this. Okay, and got this. Okay, white looks like one, but it's not very nice and fabulous, you know? Just go blue, 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 and some yellows, and some pinks. Because you see this pink right here. Ugh. What is this going on? It keeps on. Next step. And, okay, no. Okay. There we go. On this. Okay, so we got it. Next page. Okay. Okay. And back. And just go in here. Okay, here we go. And the other one. Where's this? What's not this? Wait a minute, I made a little mistake. Okay, there. Put this here. Okay, and this here. There we go. Yeah. Just a little seat. I know what it is. Yeah, I know what it is. I really know what it is. Yeah, really know what it is. Yeah, it's real that I know what it is. And we got it right here. And got this like this. And you two, you're going like this. There. That's nice. See? That looks very nice. Let's put the dolly inside. You see? She's inside now. They're giving us a smoothie. Well, not really. Okay. Oh, not really giving smoothie. Okay, so. Well, not really. She can do some milkshakes because she doesn't really have milkshakes. So let's continue. Okay. We got this. Okay. And please don't say that the video is boring. Okay, so we continue. Okay. These two whites go right here, here. You go right here, here, here. You go right here. Okay. Here it is. Yeah. I'm just going. There we go. It's going to be all white. Okay, got these free. You make that kind of rectangle like this, you see? It's like I'm building a rectangle, but I'm not really building a rectangle. Well, it could be like this. Well, there. Continuing. Huh? Okay. I guess I just skipped this page. One. And now get this. Okay, good. Next page. Okay, put this and there. Okay. So yeah. Okay, got this and this and this and okay, so I got these two. Gotta put these in. Wait a minute. Me. Okay. There. Okay, so we need plop and this plop and put you over here and you over here. There. I knew it that we had to put this next. There. Okay. And we need this. No, wait, not these two. I thought I had to go this way, I thought. But actually it has to go this way. There we go. Okay, these two always goes right here. Yeah, all the time it goes like there, over there. And now I have to put this like this. And put that here. Okay. Why didn't I? Okay, so we have it. That's good. Have it. Okay. That's it. I got these two. We need to get this. Yeah. I like it. This. Okay, so we have the spoon on there. Here's the spoon right there. Next page we get this, this, this. Okay, so we got this. And this on. Where's this? There we go. And, oh, I remember the other video? It also has this thing. Huh? Wait, it was like flipped. Okay, got it very nicely. Next page we go. The very last steps. We are almost done. Okay, got it. And get this. Oh my. And we're done. Yoo-hoo. Let me show you this. Look. Lego Friends is here. I only have this and this, but I saw all of these in videos. I saw this. Okay, now I'm going to show you this again. And that's it. Put it in. There. You see? This is how. Thank you for watching. And if you like my videos, then please like and subscribe to our channel.